Hey guys, with New Year knocking at the door, I'm going to share with you some New Year's resolution that will help you to remain focused for the entire year. So let's get started. Number one, if you have any bad habits like drinking or smoking, I would like you to give it up 10% only each month, because by the end of the year, there's a huge possibility you might be able to get rid of this bad habit once and for all. So these little changes will accumulate into a bigger thing by the end of the year. So try to make these little changes to get rid of the bad habits that you have been trying to get rid of for this entire year. Number two, when you wake up from bed, I want you to meditate every day for at least 5 minutes to organize your thoughts and get the day started with energy and focus, because it will help you to remain calm throughout the entire day and get you structured that which things require the most attention and which things are more important than the prioritized works. So it's very important to meditate every day. Number three, try to avoid conflicts as much as you can, because what it does is that it drains our energy and it is very bad for our mental health, and it will get you derailed from the path of the goal that you are walking, and it will throw you into some kind of abyss where there is a lot of anxiety and depression, which is based on literally nothing but useless and baseless arguments that you do on social media and sometimes with people that you have no connection with. So try to avoid conflicts as much as possible in both social media and also real life, and preserve as much as energy as possible for that. Number four, focus on long-term growth rather than short-term, because it will help you to remain focused towards the entire route, and it will also help you to get rid of unnecessary depressions and anxieties that might come along in the short term. So if you are mostly focused on the long-term plans, it helps us to remain calm and focused throughout the entire process rather than getting derailed in the midway. So it is very important to keep ahead of the long-term goal. Number five, focus on quality friends rather than quantity, because remember, the peer group that we choose shapes us who we are. So it is very important to choose our peer group wisely, because our friends can either help us achieve our goals, or they can either push us far away from the goals that we are trying to achieve. So it is very important to choose our peer group very wisely. Number six, eat healthy food as much as possible, because unhealthy food and processed food would make us lose energy and get us into depressive state. If you are having less sugar every day, it will help you get more energized for the day ahead than any other processed food could, and that is very harmful for you as well in the long run. So eating healthy food is very much vital in having a good and productive day. Number seven, read books, because the more you read books, like it be self-help books and like not the fictional ones, like yes, you can also read fictional books to get the habit of reading, and it can also give you some time to time joy. But like if reading books based on skill development, or books that will help you to grow as a person or to the beautiful habits in the long run, then I would suggest that you should read those books and at least make a habit of reading those books as much as you can. Maybe take like 10 per week, or like one a month, or in 2 months one book at least. First, get into the habit of reading books, and you will never ever be sorry or feel regret for reading and gaining more knowledge. Trust me, it is really helpful in the long run. And last but not least, try to do something new every week to attract new things in life. If you're always doing the same things from being in the same comfort zone, you can never attract new things in life. You will always be in the loop of doing the same things over and over, and you will constantly get the same results as well. You cannot attract any new things because you are not doing anything new. You are always doing the same thing, and it will accumulate the same results, like you are going to be stuck in a loop forever. So if you're trying to manifest new things, you have to try out new things as well. You have to take action that is like new than like the things that you have been doing so far. That is why trying new things is very important. And trying out new things can be as little as starting a journal every day, or like listening to new music every day. New music means like new music every day, because little things like this can also give birth to massive big things to come in your life. So don't underestimate the changes of the new things, and it will help you to manifest your dream life and also to manifest bigger things in this entire year. So if you follow these 8 methods that I have shared with you and get it your resolution to get it started, I can guarantee you that this new year is going to be so much productive for you that you can see the changes right away. So I hope you guys enjoy this video, and if you want more content like this, please do comment below and like and share and subscribe to my channel. Happy New Year, guys. I hope you guys have a wonderful year. Thank you so much.